1 to 10? 10, 10, bro. It's 10 out of 10. I'll give it a 8, bro.
Please guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the notification.
Guys, it's Santos Khatri back with the new video. So this time I hired the new driver. You know, he's my new driver. Bro, how much I pay for you in the month?
$2.50.
Yeah, you see? That's, you know, I pay him a lot. So that's why he's a rich
Professional.
right now. Yeah, professional driver right now. Where do you get the license?
Where I get my license?
Yeah.
Lancaster, bro.
He get in the Lancaster, so you know. I hired him, I pay him like a 2.50.
Let me see your again. Wait.
50.
Your license again.
You see, I think he lost his license, man. I don't know. I don't believe my driver right now. We are going to his house. What are you saying, bro?
You get 3,000 check return. Huh? No?
Yeah.
After a few days.
Yeah.
Yep.
Lancaster is beautiful, guys. Come to Lancaster, you know. What do you mean? If there is no snow, you love that one? It's a global warming, bro.
It's okay, man.
Corona, man. Big Corona is right.
From here, right?
Look at the handsomest man in the world, you know. Look at you see, bro. Oh my God, I look so white because of the sun, you know. Look at the ugliest people in the planet, bro. Right now, he taking out the money, you know.
You taking my ad?
What's the pin number? What's the pin number? No, I didn't rack with the pin number, bro. What are you talking about? How much you got, bro?
Ah, man. It said decline.
Bro, you broke. I know now, bro.
Oscar,
Yeah.
you talking about this one? You know what kind of lady is it?
Oh, yo, hold on, bro.
Oh.
Damn, this road is so busy, man. Right now,
coming.
we're trying to go to the McDonald, you know.
Give me here.
No, that's a car. See, when I came to left turn, bro.
Come on, man. Give me some space, guy. Don't want to wait, man. Oh, maybe here.
Yeah, go, bro. They're gonna give you.
Okay, gracias, pendejo.
Damn, this road is so busy. And right now, we go to the McDonald, you know. It's an expensive place, so we are the rich people, right? We don't go to the cheap place, you know.
We didn't go to like.
Yeah, this place is
So you
really.
wanna go inside?
Yeah, we're gonna go inside, bro. Everything is here, the bank, you know, the restaurant, McDonald. So we're getting out. Now we're having the expensive food right now, right? How is it? Good, bro? It's good?
Amazing, bro. It's so good.
How many for this one, like the rate, 1 to 8, 1 to 10?
1 to 10?
Yeah.
10, bro.
It's
I
10?
love it. Yeah.
No, I will give it the 8, bro. What about the fries?
Why?
The fries?
The fry? 1 to 10. I not like too much fry. This the best one.
Okay. The fries I'll give 7. And this one 10. Chicken nugget. It's like a 5, bro. It's not that. Shrimp with the vegetables. And what is that one, bro?
Noodle soup.
Noodle soup. It's good. That one is good.
Yeah, it's good.
This one I love it. I like the taste, you know.
Your this is mine.
That's yours. Right now we ordered the bubble tea, bro. You wanna eat bubble tea for the girl, man?